So, and this is some input to my new book, but this is a shout out to BP, Brent Parent, one of the great strategic CEOs that I had the opportunity to work with. And he calls it BP's two circles, or I call it BP's two circles. He just says big circle, little circle. And it's always a reminder for strategic leaders is that we got to focus on opportunities and not get consumed by problems. And he calls it for his team 95-5. 95% of your time focused on opportunities and 5% on problems. And you can repackage opportunities as problems, but generally focusing on continuing to grow your business versus fixing things in the business. And obviously, if it relates to a customer, he would probably call that an opportunity. But the key point is that a lot of times as companies grow, that 5% can become 75% of what CEOs and their team spend time on. And that doesn't scale. Just as a funny side note, BP, and one of his things, some people was talking about problems in one of our strat meetings we did for years. And he's one of those notable exits on the list. They did very, very, very well. And he said, hey, anytime you want to talk about problems, come to my office between 8 and 8:30 any morning. That's problem time. And then he laughed in his way that he did with this smile. He's like, and I'll be there at about 9. He just didn't want to deal with them. He figured that the key amazing people he had hired and were leading his divisions could figure out their own problems, but he wanted to talk about growth and opportunities and pushing the business ahead.